Wemwega. Welcome to Darasa Kikwetu, where language is made easy. I am your Kikuyu language teacher, Rebecca Wanjiro. You can call me the village girl. Today, I have a very interesting lesson for you. And the first one we'll do is months. Months of the year. What do we call months of the year in Kikuyu? Do you know? Alright, so I will teach you the original names or the actual names that were used in the past, but then I'll tell you what we call them in day-to-day's life. Alright, so January was known as Muga. You can still say Mweri wa Muga, because months are known as Mieri. So 1 month is Mweri, which is also moon. Mweri also means moon. So January again is Muga. Mweri wa Muga. But then we always say January. So Mweri wa January, which is English, or Mweri wa Bere. Mweri wa Bere. Mweri wa Bere, which means the first month. So the actual name is Muga, Mweri wa Muga. But some people don't know this, so you can always say January or Mweri wa Bere. Okay? February is known as Mugedo. Let's say that together. Mugedo. But again, we can call it Mweri wa Keri. Okay? Or you can always say February. Some people say February. It's still okay, because I'm sure all Kikuyus understand that January is January, February is February. So if you don't remember Mugedo, you can always say February or Mweri wa Keri. So March is known as Kehu. Again, Kehu. So that is actually my favorite name because it's funny. You know, in Kikuyu, when we say someone is pregnant, we say Ena Ihu. Ihu is pregnancy. But then it also sounds a bit rude, so we say Nemorito. Okay, so Kehu would mean that, you know, March was pregnant, maybe with good things, or maybe seasons, because it was the beginning of Jahe season. Alright, so you can always say March, Mweri wa March, or Mweri wa Gatatu. Mweri wa Gatatu. Alright? April is known as Mudato. Again, Mudato. So you can say Mweri wa Mudato. Alright, but you can always say April. So you say twe mweri wa April, twe mweri wa April, or mweri wa kana, mweri wa kana. Alright, so mudhato can be a bit confusing for you, especially because you learned numbers and you know that idhato means 3. But this time we're saying mudhato is the 4th month. But it doesn't have to be so. Remember that April is known as mudhato. May is known as Mugira Jara. Mugira Jara. Again, Mugira Jara. But then you can call it Mweri wa May. Mweri wa May instead of Mweri wa Mugira Jara. So you can say May, you can say Mweri wa Gatano. Mweri wa Gatano. Okay? It's still okay. When you tell even a child who lives in the village, they'll know that May is the 5th month.